guys, it's Manny Ferns. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. When I planned to do my first Encanto inspired hairstyles video, I didn't exactly plan or expect a part 2 of that, but I believe in possibilities. So I'm really grateful to you guys who've been wanting to see more of my hairstyle recreation of Encanto characters. So there are other 2 female characters from the movie that I have yet to recreate their hairstyles, and they are Julieta and Abuela Alma. And the reason why I didn't include them in my first video was because I had no idea how to do their hairstyles. But when you guys suggested that I do them, I couldn't deny your requests, so I did my research. But this is not my usual hairstyle recreations video because today my sister will be joining me. Dali! Hi. Hi. Hi! I'll be recreating Julieta's hairstyle on my hair while I'll be using her hair to recreate Abuela's. Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share! Let's go! Okay, we'll start with Abuela Alma. Now, her hairstyle is what we call a twist and pin updo. Disclaimer, this is not my original technique. I actually followed a video on how to do this, so if you want to have a clearer version of this tutorial, you can watch it by clicking on the top right corner. Now let's start. First step is to have your hair parted in the middle. Next, on one side, take a piece of hair and twist it in the direction away from your face, and as you keep twisting it, you add another piece of hair from below. We'll continue doing that until we reach at the bottom back of the head. From there, we're going to pin that twist in place at the back of the head, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you, so last thing.
Once those are done, we're left with a few hair on the back. Take the rest of the hair, grab an elastic, and tie it almost to the ends, and then slowly roll it over to the twists we pinned down.
I would rather lie to you.
Put some bobby pins there to secure it in place. You can tug the twist a little bit to make it a bit fuller if you like, and then that's done.
Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes.
I couldn't say that this was an accurate recreation, but I'm just so glad I did quite well and that my sister pulled this look off. I want to give a shout out to the person who suggested this, who also has the same name as I do. To Amanda, I hope this was helpful and that you'll be able to do this hairstyle on your grandmothers. That's so sweet, and I wish you good luck.
There is nothing wrong with La Casa Madrigal. The magic is strong. And so are the drinks. When you saw the vision, think of the family, our Encanto. What is going on?
Abuela, it's okay. We're gonna save the miracle. The magic.
What are you talking about?
And I'm sorry I held on too tight.
Second and the last hairstyle is Mama Julieta's. From what I've been noticing, Julieta's hairstyle is a simple bun, but her loose curls are what makes it look complex to me. I'll be using my hair this time, and I'm starting by curling my entire hair with the smallest barrel I have. head, I think this type of curls would have the best accuracy when it's combed. That way it would have that more loose effect, I guess. Anyway, once done with the curling, I gently brushed my hair to detangle the curls, and so I'm left with this awesome look. But we're not yet done, of course. The next step is part my hair on the left side and then take all of the hair to the back. After, twist the hair to make it a bun and secure it with bobby pins. I tried making the bun as high as possible, but I guess that didn't go as planned, so we'll deal with this. Next, tug on the hair on every angle to make it even more loose. The messier, the better. I also pinned down my front bangs because it didn't look very Julieta to me, and so I just tug on it until I felt like it was okay, and then that's done. I'm not gonna pretend that this was 100% accurate too, because I believe it's far from that, but I'm quite satisfied of the results. What do you guys think?
Whoa. Mi vida, you okay? You don't have to overdo it.
I know.
Been there. Ay, Austin. We meet. Mi amor, if you ever want to talk. Ay, corazón, remember, you have nothing to prove. Mira, my brother Bruno lost his way in this family. I don't want the same for you. Get some sleep. Mama, you've always been too hard on Mirabel. Mirabel! Mirabel! Don't move. And I'm sorry I held on too tight. Just so afraid I'd lose you too. That you've got. The miracle is you. We're just happy that you're here, okay? And no matter what happens, we're gonna find our way.
And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as me and my sister did. It was a bit stressful, especially on her hairstyle, but we had so much fun recreating the scenes. There are bloopers right ahead after this outro, so if you want to check those out, do finish this video. I hope that was helpful to you all, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share! I'll see you in my next video. Uy, ano ka? Kasi problema ni mo. Akong katahon? Oye, Mariano, Solis, Hinto. Ay, pagigano ko siya nagigani. Oye, Mariano, Solis. You saw the vision. You saw the vision. So annoying. Think of our family. So are the drinks. And so are the drinks. No, like ulang. Magic is strong. The magic is strong. Meron na. Bye, Abuela. Bye, Abuela. It's